Hi, this is Anjana Sukhani. Jai Jhulelal, Bedai Par Sadai Bag Bahar. So this is a small dedication to my grandparents, Vasanti Amarnani and Jawaharlal Amarnani. Whatever that I know about the Sindhi culture, the food, the language, I think it's completely thanks to them. So I owe everything that I am today to both of them. And this is a small dedication to them and also to all the Sindhis across the world. So here's my little piece. O naale alakh je bedo tar muhinjo O naale dhaniya je bedo tar muhinjo aya nindana मुख्य आधार तुहिंजो आहे आधार तुहिंजो ओ नाले साईं जे बेड़ो तार मुहिंजो ॾाढी आए निंगी दुनिया दुरंगी बिना धणीअ जे पंहिंजे बिना साईं जे पंहिंजे कोने को माइट पंहिंजो ना को माइट पंहिंजो हो नाले अलख जे बेड़ो तार मुहिंजो ओ बेड़ो तार मुहिंजो ओ बेड़ो तार मुहिंजो Thank you. Jai Jhulelal.